Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my weight loss journey by Keto Granny. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss any videos that I share. Also, like, share, and comment. Tonight, I'm going to give you 11 tips to make weight loss progress. That is the reason that we are all on this journey, because we want to make weight loss progress and we want to lose fat. Let's get started with the first tip. Tip number one is you want to set specific goals for yourself. Set both short-term and long-term goals. Also, keep track of your progress as you go along. Make a list and put this list where you can look at it daily. It's also a good idea to make a vision board. A vision board you can look at and it can keep you on track. It can motivate you and also help you to know what direction you're going in. Also, add in meditation to your daily regimen. This will also help you stay on track and stay focused also. Tip number two, add in some type of fasting technique to your lifestyle changes. This could be alternate day fasting, intermittent fasting, it could be long-term fasting. Fasting is going to have many benefits on your weight loss journey to better health. Also, pick a fasting plan that you can stick to and something that you can easily do. I advise you when you first start your intermittent fasting, your alternate day fasting, work your way up to fasting so that way you don't jump headlong into it and you decide it's something that you don't want to do and you don't stick to it very long. So it is best to take your time and work your way up to your fasting regimen and then decide what type of fasting you're going to do and work it into your lifestyle. Tip number three, make sure that you have a sustainable plan that fits you and your body type. Individualize your plan to your lifestyle that you are living now. Take into consideration foods you already eat regularly when planning your meal plan. This is going to be the easiest way that you're going to be able to stick to your plan and really enjoy it. I'm sure that there are foods that you are eating now that you can incorporate into your weight loss journey or your weight loss plan to make it easier for you to stay on your plan. You want to make sure that your plan is individualized for you, that it includes your lifestyle, that it includes things that you like to do, foods that you like to eat. This is how you will be successful on any journey that you choose to do. Tip number four is to challenge yourself. Challenge yourself daily to be better. As certain exercises that you do, as they become easy, add in more difficulty so that you will strengthen your body, that you will tone your body. Always challenge yourself to do more. Don't overdo it. If your body doesn't let you do more, then don't force it. I gradually add in more exercise as the exercise that I'm doing get easier for me. That way it helps me to push myself a little bit more, a little bit further. And also I always feel good after I exercise. Also, I like to challenge myself to eat a certain way for a certain time. These help me develop um, discipline, and also I learn what foods really work well with my body by challenging myself to different type of eating plans sometimes, or just eating at different times and eating in different ways with the ketogenic diet. You can also do this with any diet that you use also. Tip number 5, avoid eating sugar. You must remove sugar from your diet in order to be successful and in order to lose weight. You must avoid eating not only sugar but also pasta, refined carbohydrates, processed foods. Keep your carb intake as close to zero as possible for the best results, especially if you're doing the ketogenic diet. If you get your carb intake down low, your body will switch from burning insulin or glucose to start burning ketones or fat, which is your goal if you are doing the ketogenic diet. Once your body switches over to burning fat, you will reduce your intake of the fat that you are eating so that the fat on your body becomes the meal. Tip number 6, you want to make sure that you are adding leafy green vegetables to your diet. Also, you must be adding in cruciferous vegetables to your diet daily also. You want to aim to eat 5 to 10% of healthy carbs daily as vegetables, as these are healthy carbs. These carbs will help you to replenish your electrolytes, things such as your magnesium, your potassium, your sodium, your phosphorus. Try to get a lot of your electrolytes into your body with the foods that you eat. Doing this will help replenish your electrolytes and you will feel better. You may actually avoid the keto flu, which is just simply symptoms that your body goes through when it is adjusting from burning glucose to burning fat as its main source of energy. Tip number 7. Tip number 7 is going to be about protein. When you're doing the ketogenic diet, especially, you want to eat 3 to 6 ounces of protein per meal. Protein is very, very important in our diets. It is used to repair body tissue. It helps build muscle. It is used in the production of our amino acids. Protein is very, very important. If you're doing the ketogenic diet, then you will be eating a moderate amount of protein. You don't want to overeat protein because if you overeat protein, it is going to turn into glucose. Also, as we get older, we want to add in just a little bit more protein to our diet because it will help us feel better as we get older. It will help us with our muscle retention and producing muscles. So remember to eat 3 to 6 ounces of protein per meal. Eat it in a moderate amount. And if you get hungry between meals and you want something to eat, I would tell you eat a piece of meat. Eating meat is going to help you fill up faster. Plus, it said that you really can't overeat too much protein if you are eating meat. So add in a piece of meat. Plus, it's little to no carbs, and it should be very, very beneficial to you. Tip number 8 is a very, very important rule. And it's something that I do on the daily. I don't have a bottle of water in here with me right now, but I actually need one. My mouth is dry. But tip number 8 is to always drink plenty of water and stay hydrated. If you have a problem drinking water, use some type of drops to put in your water. Now, me, I prefer the sugar-free drops, and you can find those in the store, but just make sure that you read the labels carefully. What I did was I thought I was using sugar-free drops, and then I found out I wasn't. I was using like the regular drops, and the regular drops was raising my glucose when I did use them, and I had been using them for several months. So I didn't find this out until here recently. But make sure that you are drinking plenty of water and staying hydrated. Also, add in a little bit of lemon juice to your water, and this is lemon from squeezing the lemon, and also add in a little bit of apple cider vinegar along with a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. This will give you some vitamin C. Plus, that Himalayan pink salt has 84 different benefits and different properties in it. So you're going to get magnesium, sodium. You're going to get your phosphorus. You're going to get your potassium. A lot of different minerals and everything you will get just by putting in that pinch of Himalayan pink salt. You want, again, let me tell you the recipe. One to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother is the best. Also, then you want about a tablespoon of lemon juice and a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. This is going to help you replenish your electrolytes, which is something that you need to do if you're doing the ketogenic diet. Also, you can drink things like black coffee, you can have tea. Um, it's best to, I believe, stick with like the herbal teas, not to have a lot of the teas that are caffeinated. Um, you can also have sugar-free drinks, but don't want to add those type of things in a lot. Like I said, you can put fruit into your water, like lemons, or you can use strawberries or blueberries or something to that effect, just to give your water a little bit different taste to make it easier to go down for you. Tip number 9. Tip number 9, I believe I just touched on when I was talking about staying hydrated. Number 9 is replenish your electrolytes. As I just said, this is very, very important. As you first start the ketogenic diet, you're going to have what is known as a keto whoosh. When you have a keto whoosh, you can use anywhere from 3 to 6 pounds. This is going to be mainly water. And when your body releases water on the ketogenic diet, it's also going to be releasing electrolytes with this. You must replenish your electrolytes so that you remain feeling good on this diet. And also, it may help you to avoid having the keto flu or having symptoms of switching from your body using glucose to it adapting to using ketones or fat as its main source of energy. Number 9 is to replenish your electrolytes. Add lemon juice to water, apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, and sip this. If you need supplements, be sure to talk with your doctor first, especially if you are taking medications. And I say this because I had listened to a lot of people that were saying for me to add in potassium, sodium, and magnesium. So I asked my doctor, could I add in magnesium? They said yes. I asked them a certain amount. They said yes for 100 milligrams. I started doing this and I was taking it every day. Don't you know that if you take too much magnesium, you can have a magnesium overload and it can cause cardiac arrest or death. So make sure that you do check with your doctor before you add in any supplements, especially if you are taking medications, so that you can be sure it is safe. Tip number 10, hold yourself accountable. When you first start out on your weight loss journey, you want to make sure that you take pictures of yourself. Take pictures from the front, the back, the sides. You want to make sure that you have a journal that you can write in daily. Write in the way that you feel, write in the foods that you ate, the times that you ate. Write in things that you feel are important that you can look back on. These things are going to help keep you motivated and help you stay on your journey when you feel like you're not making progress. You want to use meditation and relaxation to help relieve stress on the way, because you're going to have stressful times as you are dieting and as you're on a weight loss journey. So make sure that you have a plan how to release your stress. Have an accountability partner. You can call your accountability partner when you need encouragement or when you just need to talk to someone. Have someone available that you can talk to that can help you get through a rough period or Go for a walk, exercise, drink some water, but have a plan that is going to help you hold yourself accountable and stay focused on your journey. So we come to the last and the final tip, tip number 11. Above all things, love yourself and know that you are enough as you are. Getting healthy will give you more quality to your life and maybe more quantity. But know that you are enough as you are. Love yourself. If you happen to have mishaps along the way on your weight loss journey, don't beat yourself up or talk bad to yourself, but love yourself. Give yourself the care that you need in order to feel good about yourself and keep going. You have to love yourself. Love yourself first. Take care of yourself so that you'll be able to take care of others and give them the loving care that they need. I hope that I have shared some tips with you that you can use. These are tips that have helped me along the way on my weight loss journey. And I want for you to have just as much success as I have had on this weight loss journey. A lot of times people feel so forlorn when they are on a weight loss journey, especially at the beginning when you're starting off and you're weighing 400, 500 pounds even. But you have to start somewhere. You have to make up your mind to start somewhere. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy this video, hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss any other information that I share about my weight loss journey, things that have worked for me and that are working for me now, and also where we can encourage one another to reach our goals and to stay focused on our journey for this year. If you like this type of content, also like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching and welcome to my community. Again, this is Keto Granny. Have a great, great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.